winter in Canada can be a beautiful thing, but one thing that is inevitable is the snow and the daunting task of shoveling it. In addition to injuries to the head and shoulders, lower back injuries are one of the most common snow shoveling related musculoskeletal injuries. But there are ways to prevent and minimize the risk. Warm up. Cold muscles are more prone to injury than warmed up muscles. So warming up for 5 minutes before shoveling will do your back some good. Marching in place to get the blood flowing and your body warmed up in preparation for exposure to the cold is your best bet. After marching in place for a few minutes, stretch your lower back and hamstring muscles, holding the stretch for about 30 seconds. Make sure you have the right shovel. A shovel with a curved handle or an adjustable handle length will minimize bending of the back while keeping the shovel blade on the ground. Also, finding a shovel with a plastic blade will help reduce the amount of weight you'll be moving, which will further reduce your chances of getting into a shoveling-related accident. Use proper lifting technique. Whenever possible, push the snow as opposed to lifting it. If you do have to lift the snow shovel, make sure you're following the proper lifting technique to prevent injury, such as, if you're lifting the shovel, grip the shovel with one hand as close to the blade as comfortably possible, with the other hand on the shovel handle. Or make sure your shoulders and hips are square to the shovel blade as you are lifting. And then follow that up with bend at the hips and lift with your legs. Make sure your lower back is straight. Keep the load light and keep the heaviest part of the object close to your body at your center of gravity. And finally, walk where you want to dump the snow rather than reaching, tossing, or twisting your back. Make sure you have proper footwear. Snowy and slushy conditions can lead to slipping and/or falling, which can strain your lower back and cause you further injury. You can greatly decrease your risk of slipping or falling by making sure you're wearing shoes with good grip and making sure to spread salt or sand on your driveway or walkway just to increase the traction. Pacing yourself. Shoveling small amounts of snow rather than a large pile all at once will be less strenuous on your lower back. It will take more time, but it will reduce the likelihood of injury. In deep snow, removing a few inches off the top at a time rather than attempting to shovel the whole amount at once is also a good bet. Also, when shoveling, take a break for a minute or two every 15 minutes or you'll feel overworked. If you have any further questions about shoveling snow or may have actually injured yourself in the process, not to worry. The professionals at Full Function Rehab will be happy to help you. So once again, that's Full Function Rehab and Wellness, located in Woodbridge, Ontario. See you soon.